Alright guys, we're back.
We're back.
We are here already at Chef Isa's car.
Yeah.
Ayan guys, so nandito na tayo sa sa loob ng sasakyan.
Wow!
Walang bus, kaya ito lang yung sinakyan namin. So kasama ko pa yung katrabaho ko, si Stephen. Ayan. Are you excited for vacation?
Yeah.
Stephen? Me guys, I'm not excited because no chance
We are
to go
taking
home.
local vacation.
Yeah, local vacation only. Anyway, so I have my friends and colleagues also here taking the local vacation, so it's not that much boring.
Much hot also, no?
Yeah, already. My God, it's very hot today.
Why this guy stop?
So yun guys, medyo malayo pa kami sa sa aming trabaho. Tapos traffic pa. Start na ng summer. Mainit.
गाड़ी धूप में थी ना इसके लिए
Chocho,
अजय बस
what happened to your small car before? Where is it now?
It doesn't have small car.
No, before I drop us.
वो आईटी माता ना मेरे पास
काफी आरती में था.
Okay.
It's
Guys,
a long time before, man.
this long time already. Okay. Okay guys, so ano na lang, imo-montage ko na lang yung yung dadaanan namin, okay? Okay guys, nakarating na kami. Nandito na kami sa lugar ng aking pinagtatrabahuan guys. Okay? So, nandito po tayo ngayon sa Intercontinental Muscat.
Wow!
So, yan po yung hotel. Kung makikita nyo, yung malaking building na yan, yan po yung hotel na Intercontinental Muscat. Tapos dito ako sa may Trader Vic's Muscat. So sa Trader Vic's ako nag-work guys. Grabe, super init. Summer na kasi dito guys, kaya mainit na. Pasok tayo ng malamigan naman ng konti. Ayan. So nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob. Sobrang tahimik po, walang tao. So ayan, ayan sila. Nandito na sila. So pakilala ko pa sa inyo yung ating kasamahan, aming supervisor, si Ate Cecil at saka si Rosel. Ano, kamusta na kayo? Happy Ramadan vacation? Boring ang bakasyon namin guys kasi walang chance makauwi ng Pinas. Kaya local leave na lang. Guys, trabaho muna ako ha. See you later. Ingat kayo dyan. So yun na yun guys. Almost done everything na.
So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and ours.
Ayan, naka-arrange na po yung mga chairs.
Wow!
So organized na po siya. Tinatanggal na po namin lahat yung table, nilalagay sa loob. Tapos yung mga upuan natanggal na rin. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ayan guys, so ayan. So wala na po siyang mga table, pinapasok namin sa loob. Ayan, so sobrang luwag na po siya. Sobrang luwag. Ayan o. So yung mga table ay pinagpatong-patong namin. So, sobrang luwag na. We are almost done today. So, hopefully, today we will finish everything so that no more pending work for tomorrow. So, yeah, we are preparing everything, guys. Okay? How are you, bro?
Good, bro.
Huh? Too much tired today?
No.
Not really?
Not really.
Okay. Yeah, this is my colleague Stephen. Right. So he's excited also for 1 month vacation, Ramadan vacation.
Local vacation.
Local vacation, guys. No other choice. Okay. Alright, guys. Trabaho muna ako. Tapos mamaya, another video again. Ingat kayo dyan. See you. Ayan, guys. Tapos na po kami sa aming pagko-close. So, relax mode muna kami ngayon. Ay, ano yan?
Opening ka ng tent daw. Advance asking na lang nun.
Opening? Kailan?
Tent kayo, dalawa lang.
Okay, no problem.
Okay lang
kayong
kayo.
dalawa?
Si Resby, kailangan niya yung mag-ano tubig daw.
Tubig dyan.
Kuhin mo si Cristo.
May 10? May 10?
11 ata.
May
Anong
11
tubig
kami.
yan? Tubig.
May 11 kami.
Okay, guys, so almost done for today. We did closing already. So,
Mahal no
we
Don't
took
throw
all the things.
this one. The linen.
We
Even you
put
put
there.
linen tomorrow will not come.
in the private room.
When we come, we put one time.
This is my hard-working colleague,
But they're coming.
Gansham.
It will be get smell, man. You have to put. I told you.
What 1 hour when you need you are coming?
Gansham.
No, you're not coming.
Say hi, please, Gansham.
Wake up, no? You need
Gansham,
one
say hi.
hour, one day also to do this one. Go explain to Mr. Donald.
Gansham, say hi,
You
please.
need 1 hour to pick up what we
Hey,
need to
Gansham.
do this.
What are you saying?
Okay. And then,
Bakit nagpipick up ng mga linen?
ito si Maria Mercedes from Cebu.
Wow!
Uuwi na yan, magbabakasyon na yan. Day, awang buwad, day. Ayaw kalimti, ha?
Raman di ay.
Buwad, ha? Pag-utap, ha? Okay. Good luck sa imong bakasyon, day.
Salamat.
Ubos ang ipon ni mo. Okay. So, very excited po, guys. Ramadan vacation. 1 month local leave. Ayan. Oh. See? Wala ng table, guys. Ubos ng table.
अगर इंटरेस्टेड नहीं तो बोल दो यार.
This is my colleague Shanta.
Hi, myself Shantaraj. I am the king of king.
Guys, he has also a channel.
Yeah,
Yeah, promote your channel, no?
Indian village food.
Indian
I have-
Village Food.
Yeah, I am already subscribed. You can find me. So we
So
can
guys,
have,
please visit Shanta's channel in YouTube.
see, this is my
Indian
face.
Village Food.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So he's teaching you how to cook.
Yes, Without
Indian
training anything,
foods,
typical food.
Okay, please do
Thank you,
visit
Kuya.
his
Thank you very
channel,
much.
alright? Okay. Ayan. So, yun, si Shanta. May channel din yun. Bagong channel. Ayan. So, okay na ang lahat. Ito naman pakilala ko sa inyo yung receptionist namin, si Milit, taga Batangas. Pawis na pawis po yan kasi very hardworking. Ayan. Ayan, ganda ng sapatos niya. Pakita mo nga sapatos mo dito.
Ay, yung ano,
Naka-sale daw yung sapatos niya. Patingin, oy. Tingin mo, dito. Ayan. So, nabibili yan ng 1,700 peso. Naka-sale daw, pero mahal pa rin. Ay, mayaman man kasi yun si Milit. Maraming pira yun. Kaya okay lang. So, sana guys ay okay kayong lahat dyan.
Excuse me, not me. Because you guys doing that one, we are doing that one. Huh? No,
So,
no,
local leave. Dito lang kami. Di mo na kami uuwi sa Pinas.
Okay, boss. हम लोग कितना
Okay, boss. Alright. Okay, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Sa lahat na hindi pa subscribe sa akin channel, please punta kayo sa YouTube. Ricardo Buholano po ang pangalan na aking channel. Paki-subscribe na lang niyo po guys. Paki-click niyo po yung bell button para manonotified kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload kahit walang kwentang videos guys. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay boss. All the best for your vacation for 1 month.
All the best, my friend.
Yeah, Ramadan Kareem to
We
your
will
family.
see you after 1 month. Then Ramadan Kareem to everybody.
Okay. Alright boss.
God bless you all.
God bless us all. Stay safe everyone. Bye bye. Okay guys. Tapos na yung duty namin. Pauwi na kami. Ayan. So hindi lang kami hindi kami nag-whole day. Saglitan lang yung pasok. Ay. Ha? Ano 'yun? Yan, pauwi na kami. Guys, how are you? Hello. Say hi to my vlog. All okay?
Yeah, man.
Alright, enjoy your vacation, Ramadan vacation. Alright, see you. Yan. Mamaya pa yung bus namin. Pero sasakay kami dun sa kay Chef Isa. Ihatid niya kami. Kasi yung bus namin mamaya pa. Mamaya pa yung bus namin. Kaya nagpapahatid kami ni Chef, yung lokal na chef namin. Sobrang init guys, grabe. Summer na. Sobrang init dito sa sa Oman. Yan. Yan si si Milet. Mama, tingin ka naman dito sa gilid mo. Mainit ba?
Oo. Punta ako nito.
Sobrang init guys. Iwan ko lang kung ilang degrees ngayon. Sobrang init. Grabe.
Very good.
Ayan. Sobrang tahimik. Wala masyadong guest ngayong araw.
Ay,
Tingnan mo to.
hindi kayo nagbigay ng linen.
Ayan. Linen, maraming tao doon tiya. Sila. Mandun sila. Ilan ba yung staff doon? Sobrang dami nila doon.
Sige na ate. Bilis.
Ayan. May nag-harvest ng halaman dito guys ha.
Ano yan?
Kunin mo yung isang buong saging ti.
Ano yan ma? Bilis.
Ate, doon.
Ayan.
Dito ate. Doon na sa'yo.
Isang plantita ang namataan. Halaman. Ayan.
Oo, nabili mo sa lulu.
Ayan. Okay lang yan.
Ilalagay mo sa
Plan niya na. Puta, makikita niya naman natin.
Ayan. Hindi yan makikita. Hindi kayo makikita dyan. Okay lang yan. Si Adnan naman subscriber natin eh. Ayun. Dito na kami sa sa loob ng hotel. Palabas na kami. Ay. Ayaw mo Huwag ka na mag-logout. Magsa-sign out muna kami. Magsa-sign out muna kami guys para mabayaran yung araw na to. Busy naman yung araw na to eh. Kapagod. Grabe. Sign out muna guys. Sign out muna. Dire. Pindot-pindot.
Chef Isa ba tayo sasakay?
Oo, kay Chef Isa. Ako, error pa. Ayun, tapos.
Chef Isa ba?
Oo. Nasaan ba sasakyan ni Chef Isa? Oy! Okay. Ayan. Itong napakagandang dilag.
Sino nakaiwan? Ganda. Sino yan?
Vlog ko ba, vlog.
Let's go, let's go.
Bakit? Kay si Pisa, hindi yan kay si Pisa. Ha?
Kabayan trip, let's go.
Kabayan tripin, aman.
Oo.
Let's go.
Hindi yan kay si Pisa.
Sasabay kayo saan?
Kay si Pisa nga. Tara. Okay guys, dito kami sa labas. Sasabay kami kay kay si Pisa. Si Pisa.
Hi guys.
Yan, siya yung maghahatid sa amin guys. Ayan. So maglalakad muna kami. Maglalakad muna kami ng konti guys. Exercise. Kasi yung, where did you park your car? In the big parking? Oh, nandun daw sa malaking parking. Nilagay niya yung sasakyan niya. Okay, so iikot na naman kami. Iikot na naman. Ayan. Okay na kayo dyan?
Para pag nagbabaon ka, hindi lalamig.
Ay, si Ate Cecil talaga ay Girl Scout, oh. Laging handa, may payong siya, oh. Ayan.
Kasi pala hindi ako bumili ng nung
Okay, sige na guys.
wala ko
Maglalakad muna kami. Grabe, sobrang init. See you mamaya. Guys, we're back. We are here already at Chef Isa's car.
Yeah.
Hyundai, what brand is it?
Wait.
Huh? Chef?
Huh?
What car this one? Hyundai?
Santa Fe.
Huh?
Santa Fe.
Hyundai Santa Fe. Oh, very nice. Very clean car. Nice smell.
Wow.
You cannot even imagine the driver is a guy because it's very clean and very nice smell. It's like fruity smell. Very nice. Okay.
Tobacco smell.
So we are in our way now, going back to our accommodation. And tomorrow's Ramadan start or today?
Start first day of Ramadan.
So tomorrow is the first day of Ramadan. So all of us will do local leave. So yeah guys, to all our brother and sister Muslim all over the world,
Daddy, if you see
Ramadan Kareem to all you guys. Okay,
there is AC, you put AC on. There is AC.
did you see the shirt of Chef Isa? Is like summer Hawaiian attire. Okay,
Attire.
so it's good outfit for this kind of weather. Very hot. Hey ladies, you're all okay there behind?
Actually, this is a handkerchief ng Philippines, no?
See? Oh,
There's no plastic.
Leia is there.
Very hot.
Uh, see? So we did closing today. So we didn't even finish one day work because it's very fast done. It's done very fast. Okay. So what is your plan, vacation, Chef?
Go for it.
Just only in the home?
Ang ganda naman ng
Home sweet home, man.
Home sweet home with the family. Yeah, very nice. Okay.
Paano pag walang factory?
So hindi naman siguro kami mabuboring.
There will be lockdown.
Hindi naman siguro kami mabuboring kasi nandito naman yung mga kasamahan namin tsaka mga special someone. So hindi naman boring, di ba? Kahit malayo kami sa pamilya namin sa Pinas. Okay lang. Tiis-tiis lang muna kasi yung sitwasyon niyan kasi ang hirap pag magbakasyon ka. Ang daming requirements. Tapos yung budget pa, yung pera hindi kasya kasi ang daming ano, di ba? Kailangan mo nang mag-swab test, tapos pagbalik mo kailangan mong magtira ng pera para sa ano mo, quarantine sa hotel. So, ayun, taste lang guys, kahit malayo sa pamilya sa Pinas. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang muna guys. See you mamaya.
Bye.
Bye-bye!
Until next episode.